Hello guys, this is Tota Linatelzima here, and we are doing a demo of Windows Population 4. This is the latest, innovation, whatever, of Windows Population. And yeah, if you're asking where like a new crap OS version is, we might make that, considering we haven't made an actual crap OS version since 2016. So maybe we'll work on that someday. But for now, this is the future of Windows Population. Windows Population 4. As you can see, it's not 4.0, it's just 4. It's a lot simpler that way. So it looks mostly the same at first glance. This button looks a lot nicer now, I guess. Oh, whoops. Okay. Anyway, yes. Okay, we have the start menu. We tried making this look a lot nicer. Like, we wanted to have like an aesthetic to this OS. As you can see, it's not blue, it's green. We wanted a green aesthetic to this version of the system. So this is still a beta version. This is still beta 1.0, beta 1.0, which means this doesn't have everything yet. We're still working on making it have a lot more stuff. But here we have Internet Explorer, and we've actually tried to make it. We tried to make it function properly. We don't know how well we succeeded at that though. And welcome to Internet Explorer. We promise this browser will function properly. Okay, so we have these buttons here. These are supposed to be like back and forward buttons, but apparently these don't. Yeah, they don't work at all. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. We kinda aren't using headphones, but yeah, I think you can hear that. Might even be a little bit too. No, it's not. Anyway, yes. The system sounds here are from the quote-unquote Longhorn sounds, which if you don't know, they're not actually Longhorn sounds. That's a myth that has been going around for like a decade. These are not Longhorn sounds, but they sound nice, so we put them in here. They have a certain aesthetic to them. Anyway, yeah. So let's go to CrapOS, not to the site. Let's search something. YouTube, for example. Uh-oh. Whatever you just tried to find, it doesn't seem to exist. Maybe we just haven't looked hard enough, but we really couldn't care less about fixing this issue. Okay, let's just try again here. Uh-oh, Internet Explorer has encountered a very bad error. So as you can see, the Internet browser doesn't really work. But I think everything else works fine. Let's go to the file browser. These are just some random test files. bsd.png. This is not what the BSD looks like in version 4, but in Poop Edition 3 it looked like this, if you know. Yeah. So like, it's a lot like before. It can view image files. We have UCAN code on here too. All those programs are actually in the more programs. This is because we want to kind of hide them because they're somewhat functioning programs, and we want to emphasize the programs that don't really work as good. Well, these programs are probably terrible for professional standards, but this is CrapOS, so hopefully you know that we're called CrapOS if you're watching this video. Also, if I sound a little bit sick, it's because I am, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, this is a folder. Yeah, image.png. Yeah, this is made in the Paint program. It's all these programs are unchanged from 3.0, at least for now. Maybe we'll add some like cool updates to these. For now, Paint is still the same. It still has all the same stuff. UCAN code is still the same program. If you run this code.ucc, it's a very simple program. I just did it to test things. Yes. Yeah. So that's Internet Explorer and File Explorer. Oh, and also as you can see, we have icons here. So anyway, we're in games now, and as you can see, this has a little icon on it. All these programs have icons on them now. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, so welcome to games. We have a whole lot of awesome games bundled with Windows Poop Edition 4, so feel free to explore them. Um, yeah, so we're planning on adding more games, but so far there's only Minecraft and Stick Collector. Let's try Minecraft. This is pretty cool. So we have Joe Mang Studios or whatever, and so we have the Minecraft logo. We have our own splash text, and this is actually randomized every time you launch it. So that's pretty cool, I'd say. So if you let's try to go to multiplayer. Uh-oh, Minecraft just unexpectedly quit while trying to establish an internet connection. Yeah, so as you can see, internet things do not really work on this OS. So, if you're addicted to the internet, good luck using this operating system. You know, that's kind of the point. But anyway, let's launch Minecraft again. And as you can see, just to prove that this is actually a randomized splash text. See, this is more programming than we could have ever put in like something like Windows Poop Edition 1.0 because of the severely limited technologies of Windows Poop Edition 1. That OS was based on a finite state machine based kernel. You probably don't know what that means, it's fine. But anyway, yes. Go to Minecraft Films. Error, nobody actually uses this, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. Nobody uses Minecraft Films, except for the people who do. I don't know who this would be. Oh, it's starting to lag a bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, the performance of this operating system is evidently, inevitably, probably not going to be the greatest. I've never experienced this kind of lag, though, on this version of the system before. Anyway, let's go to single player. And, as you can see, saved worlds, none. If you had worlds here before, we probably deleted them for no reason. Yeah. Luckily, I had no worlds here before anyway. So this is the first time I'm making a world on this. So let's just click create new world. Yeah, it's gonna... Uh-oh, Java runtime error. Yeah, so Minecraft uses, something called Java. And it has a super cool 3D graphics engine, but apparently it failed to initialize with the error code 10F2C. This likely means your GPU sucks ass. What? I thought I had a pretty good GPU. Well, not a very good GPU, but it could run Minecraft on other operating systems, but apparently it can't even run Minecraft on Windows Poop Edition 4. I'm assuming because Windows Poop Edition 4 uses a whole assload of your computer's resources. So it won't have room to run much of anything else. And, you know, the performance sucks major ass, despite all the freaking resources it's using. Just don't mind that. It's normal for CrapOS and Windows Poop Edition and all that. Anyway, this game actually works. Stick Collector. If you launch it, you can see it's a world here, and there's sticks randomly strewn about, and you can just collect them. Oh, it's being really laggy right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I've never experienced this before. So you know, the performance of this operating system is really terrible. And because I'm moving abnormally slowly right now. This normally doesn't happen. Oh, now I'm moving faster. Probably gonna start lagging again soon. Yeah, this is... I've never had this happen while actually testing this. But apparently, it's just... The performance is being really crappy right now. Maybe it's because I'm using screen recording software while doing this. And maybe I also have a lot of other unnecessary programs open. Oh yeah, I can see it in screen recording software. It's kind of flashing. I think that's not a good sign. I think there's like a way to counteract the flashing that happens in these demos sometimes. I don't know if we'll actually implement that. But you know, it's fine. Yeah. Anyway, yes. That was the games. We're gonna add more games soon, I think. Soon we can even think of more games to add. You see, we at CrapOS don't really engage in the like video game scene. We don't know what video games exist, really. So there's only Minecraft, which is like the one everyone knows about, and Stick Collector, which is a game we created, but you know, it's a very simple concept. It doesn't matter. Music. We have some music bundled with Windows Poop Edition. We have Never Gonna Give You Up. Everyone knows that song. It's pretty catchy, you know. Yeah. And we have all these other ones. This one is made of Windows 8 sounds. It's pretty dang catchy. You can listen to that if you want. And, you know, we have other songs like this one. They're not interesting though, I think. They're just kind of in there for some reason. Let's see, control panel, no items found. There is literally nothing you can change about this system as of now. So this just says no items found. I don't know if we're actually going to, you know, put anything in here. You know, if you remember in Poop Edition 3.0, you're able to like customize the color and the background and stuff. You weren't able to for this system for some reason. I'm pretty sure my CPU is dying because I'm recording this, but that's fine. You know, it's probably why it's so laggy. The CPU is absolutely dying as I speak. Hopefully this doesn't mean anything too bad. Okay, emulation box. Okay, so we have our own emulator virtual machine thingy built into Windows Poop Edition 4. Now, the only operating systems we have now are past versions of Windows Poop Edition. Now you can run Windows Poop Edition 1.0, which due to technical limitations. Wow, we really spell check our operating systems, huh? Due to technical limitations, Windows Poop Edition 1.0 is unable to be emulated on this system. Don't ask why we even put it on the list. Yeah, so due to like the previously mentioned things about, you know, technical limitations of Windows Poop Edition 1.0 and how it's built on like a different system, finite state machine, whatever bullshit I said. Oh no, I said a spelled word. It's fine, you're old enough. Anyway, Windows Poop Edition 2.0. If we try to run this one, this looks like a very bad error. It's not displaying anything. Let's just click it. Oh no, it crashed. Error code virtualization failure. I mean, did you really think we here at Crap OS would know how to make virtualization work properly? Yeah, of course we won't. That was too complicated. We were originally planning on making this like an actual feature, but that never actually happened because we got too lazy to make it work properly. So this happens. As you can see, this is the new crash screen. It's basically just the old 3.0 crash screen, but with different text. We can press R to restart, and it will load back into the OS. Yeah. So, yeah. If we go into more programs, you know, we already went into this. This is just the same programs that were in 3.0 that were kind of obscuring, making less visible because you know, they work slightly better. You can open a file like user/code.ucc. This is the code for that program I showed earlier, which is very basic. Yeah. Anyway, yes. You know, you can import stuff, you know, as always. I'm just gonna, you know, import a random, I don't know, music file. I don't know what to import though. I don't know. I'll just import like just this random ass song. There we go. There we go. I think I might have to like refresh it by going. Yeah, there we go. See, this is a very long file name, so that might break things. I'm just gonna have a little fun. I'm gonna make a bajillion folders here and see how it works. Yeah, so this is an oversight in the system because we never actually tested to see what this would do. I don't think we even implemented scrolling. So if you have too many files in here, good luck with that. Just make sure not to put too many files, otherwise you may not be able to access some of them later. Yeah, but anyway, yes. I suppose this file explorer is completely rebuilt from the old one. As you can see, it looks a lot nicer actually. We have all these like icons instead of like the list of file names and the whole uh, wall of buttons that looked pretty ugly. I think this is a major improvement from the old version. We have actual icons in here. And you know, we have actual icons all over and stuff. We pump this full of icons. And then my CPU is dying again as I'm recording this. Hopefully my computer doesn't like blow up or something. You know, that's happened before at CrapOS. You know, CrapOS Lagari Beta 1.0. Uh, you know, whatever did happen to CrapOS Lagari, that never really went anywhere. You know, maybe we'll make a new version of Lagari, or I don't know, maybe we'll just make a new CrapOS version entirely. We'll call it something completely different. We probably will do that. Yeah. And I never actually showed what this audio file is. It's just a fairly weird song. Anyway, yeah. And if we go up here, we know there's pictures. These are just a bunch of sample pictures, I guess. We can go into city, and this is a picture of a city. If you recognize cities, you might know this. This is Calgary. It doesn't actually look like this now. A, because it's winter, and B, because this was actually taken years ago. It was taken by some capitalist employee, I don't know who, but yeah, they took this like 5 years ago. Let's see. We actually have a new feature that gives you information about files, and I think if you enter in city, if you enter in the file name, it should it used to display the actual date, but I think it said like 2016, like May something, or I don't know if it was probably like June or July of. It's like sometime in like summer of 2016 that image was taken. I think we moved these into a different folder, and that's why it messed up there. But these are still the same pictures. Yeah, we have these ducks here. These were all taken around like the same day, I think, by the same CrapOS employee, around the same location. You know, which is in Calgary, somewhat near downtown. Anyway, yes, a road. This is a road. Think you know this is a road that has cars on it. You know, I think you understand this concept by now, but maybe you don't. You never know. Yeah, you can view all the system files. You can't, you know, mess with any of them though, because all these system files are like read only. Yeah, can't do anything with these because you know they're read only, and you can't launch them from there either. You have to launch them. You know, you might understand that by now. And you can run the name of the program here. This isn't very useful, you know, because you can open programs, you know, by just clicking on them in whatever place. Yeah. So as you can see now, there's a restart and shutdown button. Yeah. That's basically all there is for this beta version. We're probably going to add more things and make it more interesting. Because right now this is basically just 3.0 with a few marginally, mildly interesting things put in. But you know, maybe we'll make it even crappier in the future. We add more crappy things, we'll make other things more crappier. I don't know. We might not make these crappier because I don't know. It's fine. Doesn't matter. It's CrapOS. We don't freaking care about our jobs. We don't get paid very much. I hate this job. We're all miserable and suffering, and we barely have enough food to survive. But it's fine. You know, we're just making this version of Windows Poop Edition, and you know, it probably won't sell very well. No one's gonna buy this, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. We're all fine. We're all not miserable. Forget what I said anywhere. The languages, Vought, Giltucky, I don't know. What? I don't know where my mind just went there. Oh, I think I'm starting to lose all of my sanity if I ever had any to begin with. Anyway, let's just shut this stupid thing down. Hopefully you enjoyed this, Windows Poop Edition 4. Yes, we're still pumping out these frickin' crappy OSs. Yeah. Haha. Bad OS. Yeah, okay, whoa. Anyway, yes. We're just gonna click yes to this generic shutdown confirmation, and I'll see you in the next whatever video. Probably going to be another beta version of Windows Edition 4. Goodbye.